Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the latest and most talked about running shoes of 2024, the Asics Superblast 2. I've put this shoe through its paces over the past few weeks, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. The Asics Superblast 2 is the evolution of its predecessor, known for its all-round performance and comfort. Asics has upgraded the midsole foam in this version, promising a livelier ride while maintaining its reputation as a versatile training shoe. Let's start with the design and fit. The Superblast 2 retains the high-stack midsole construction that Asics fans appreciate. It stands tall at the heel and offers ample cushioning throughout, which is great for those long training sessions. The upper features engineered mesh, providing a snug fit without compromising breathability. I found it true to size, though slightly snug in the toe box compared to the original Superblast. What sets the Superblast 2 apart is its midsole. Asics has introduced FF Turbo Plus foam in the top layer, similar to what's used in their racing shoes. This foam is lighter and more responsive, enhancing the shoe's bounce and energy return. Beneath it lies the FF Blast Plus Eco Foam, known for its cushioning properties, ensuring comfort over longer distances. Unlike some competitors, this shoe skips the plated midsole, opting for a more traditional setup that many runners prefer for daily training. Now, let's talk performance. Whether you're tackling long runs or mixing in speed work, the Superblast 2 delivers a smooth ride. The upgraded foams provide a noticeable bounce, making it responsive enough for faster paces while still offering the cushioning needed for easy runs. I found it stable enough for everyday use, though its size might feel a bit unwieldy during speed drills. Moving on to the outsole, Asics has made improvements here as well. The AHAR Plus rubber ensures good grip on various surfaces. And the redesigned pattern minimizes the risk of picking up small rocks or debris, a small but appreciated update from its predecessor. On the positive side, the Superblast 2 is incredibly cushioned yet surprisingly lightweight. It excels in long-distance comfort and is versatile enough for different types of training runs. However, it does come at a higher price point compared to similar models. And some runners might miss the added propulsion of a plated midsole. If you're considering alternatives, the Saucony Endorphin Speed 4 offers similar versatility with the added benefit of a plated midsole for enhanced speed. For those seeking a softer ride, the Mizuno Neo Vista could be a compelling option, albeit with slightly different performance characteristics. So, should you buy the Asics Superblast 2? If you're looking for a high-performance training shoe that blends comfort with versatility, and you prefer to steer clear of plated midsoles in your daily training, the Superblast 2 is worth considering. It's a shoe that shines in long-distance comfort and provides a responsive enough ride for various training needs. That wraps up our review of the Asics Superblast 2. If you've tried this shoe or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.